Hello everyone, today we will be unboxing the Zinq cooling pad. But before we begin, let's have a look at the packaging first. So as you can see, they have provided you with a 1-year warranty right over here, and you can see it has, a dual fan in this cooling pad. So as you can see, it has a dual fan in this cooling pad. So without further ado, let's start off with the unboxing. So right over here in front of us, you'll find a product review guide. Based on if you're happy with the product or if you're unhappy, you can write a review. Moving on to the main unit right over here, as you can see, it's a very nice black color, and yeah, you can see that you can adjust it based on your requirement. So as you can see right over here, you have this, and you can just here, yeah. So it becomes pretty compact then. As you can see, it's pretty stable, and it can handle weight. It looks like it can handle weight. So as you can see, they have provided you with 2 cooling fans right over here. There is one right over here, and there's a second one right over here. And moving on, you can see you can connect the power cord over here, and you can start off using this cooling pad. Moving on, you can see that they have provided you with levels here, so you can bring it down and you can bring it out further if you want, and yeah, you can take it down to this level based on your requirement. So as you can see, this is how a laptop looks on this cooling pad, and even though even though it's not open, it's still not sliding. It is providing you with a good grip when you look at it. But if I am, for example, increasing the level of this, yeah, then I get this right over here. And lastly, as you can see, they have also provided you with a USB cable to connect here. So that's all about Zinq cooling pad. Thank you so much for watching the video.